A Bullitt County mother accused of killing her two young sons was back in court today. This time, her attorneys and the prosecution could keep this case from going to trial.
WDRB's Darby Bean explains why some say this should be the next step, while many loved ones of those little boys disagree.
There is no plea deal on the table right now, and there may not be even after mediation. This opens the door to have those conversations, but it's also opening up a lot of emotions.
Because she deserves everything she gets.
There were tears and raised voices in the hall of the Bullitt County Justice Center Monday, moments after Tiffany Lucas once again faced a judge. Lucas is charged with murder, accused of shooting and killing her children, 6-year-old Maurice Baker Jr. and 9-year-old Jaden Howard, inside her Bullitt County home last November. 2 weeks ago, she was in this same courtroom as Judge Rodney Burris set a date to go to trial this December. But now a possible plea deal could be reached before then.
At this point, I would like to see how far apart we are. If we're too far apart to reach an agreement, then we'll go to trial.
This decision had loved ones of the boys upset, leaving the courtroom.
We don't want mediation. We want her to get exactly what she deserves. And we would rather the death penalty and life without parole.
We always take the family's feelings into account, but at the end of the day, it's the Commonwealth that makes the call on how to proceed further.
Commonwealth's attorney Bailey Taylor says conversations between a judge, the prosecution, and defense likely wouldn't happen for a few more months, and they would involve family members.
At that point, we would go back and forth to see if a resolution can be reached. If at any point we do not think that it's appropriate to go forward, we can just call quits and move on to trial or seek another avenue of resolution.
It's been almost 8 months since the brothers were shot.
We just miss him so much and wish that he could still be here with us today.
Saying they'd like to see nothing less than life without parole.
We're their family, so we need to be the ones to make sure that they do get the justice that they deserve.
We'll continue to follow this case as it moves through the court system. Reporting in Bullitt County with photojournalist Frank Stamper, Darby Bean, WDRB News.